Number 5. Challenges and risks. Regulatory risk, legal uncertainty. The evolving regulatory landscape poses risk for Bitcoin's legal status and user compliance requirements. Government crackdowns. Potential government crackdowns or stringent regulations could impact Bitcoin's adoption and market dynamics. Market volatility. Price fluctuations. Bitcoin's price volatility can be a barrier to its use as a stable medium of exchange and store of value. Speculative bubbles. The risk of speculative bubbles and market manipulation remains a concern for investors and regulators. Security and fraud. Exchange vulnerabilities. Centralized exchanges remain vulnerable to hacks and security breaches, posing risk to user funds. Scams and fraud. The prevalence of scams, Ponzi schemes, and fraudulent activities in the cryptocurrency space highlights the need for vigilance and regulations. Now, technological limitations, scalability and speed. Despite ongoing developments, scalability and transaction speed remains challenges for Bitcoin's broader adoption. Energy consumption. The environmental impact of Bitcoin mining continues to be a critical issue, necessitating sustainable mining practices. Now, Bitcoin's journey from a novel concept to a widely recognized and valued asset has been marked by significant milestones, challenges, and advancements. Beyond its foundational aspects, the integrates dynamics of Bitcoin mining, governance, community involvement, and future trends plays crucial roles in shaping its trajectory. Understanding these facets provides a deeper insight into Bitcoin's potential and the complexities involved in its continued evolution. As Bitcoin matures, addressing its challenges while leveraging technological innovations will be key to its sustained growth and integration into the global financial system. Let's compare Bitcoin with other top cryptocurrencies, guys. So we'll first talk about Bitcoin. We have almost covered everything about Bitcoin, but still, let's talk about Bitcoin. Now, purpose. Bitcoin was created as a decentralized digital currency to facilitate peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries like banks. Its primary use case is a store of value and a medium of exchange. Technology, blockchain. Bitcoin operates on its own blockchain. Consensus mechanism, proof of work. Supply, capped at 21 million coins. Transaction speed, around 7 transactions per second. Security, highly secure due to its large network and high hash rate. Now, let's talk about other cryptocurrency and let's see the difference what Bitcoin has and what this other cryptocurrency has. Now, number 2, that is Ethereum, which is also called as ETH in short form. Now, what is the purpose? Ethereum is designed as a decentralized platform that enables smart contracts and decentralized applications, which is called as dApp. While it has a cryptocurrency, Ether used for transactions, its primary focus is on facilitating programmable transactions. Technology, blockchain. Ethereum has its own blockchain consensus mechanism. transitioning from proof of work to proof of stake with Ethereum 2.0. Supply. No hard cap, but issuance rate is controlled. Transaction speed around 30 TPS, expected to increase with Ethereum 2.0. Now, transaction speed around 30 TPS, and which is expected to increase with Ethereum 2.0. Smart contracts supports complex smart contracts and dApps. Let's talk about the third top cryptocurrency, that is Binance Coin, which is also called as BNB. Purpose: initially created to pay for trading fees on the Binance exchange, BNB has expanded to include multiple use cases, including transaction fees on Binance Chain, booking travel accommodations, and more. Technology: blockchain. Binance Chain later migrated to Binance Smart Chain. Consensus mechanism: delegated proof of stake. Supply: initially capped at 200 million, with periodic coin burns reducing the supply. Transaction speed: higher than Bitcoin due to the more centralized nature of Binance Chain. Let's move to the fourth top cryptocurrency, that is Cardano, which is also called as ADA coin. Now, what is the purpose of Cardano? Cardano aims to create a scalable, secure, and efficient blockchain platform for running smart contracts and DApps, that is dApps, with a focus on academic research and peer-reviewed methodologies. Now, technologies. Blockchain. Cardano has its own blockchain, consensus mechanism, proof of stake, which is called as POS, Orbus protocol. Supply: capped at 45 billion ADA. Transaction speed: higher than Bitcoin, which capabilities to increase through scalability solution like Hydra. Let me repeat this one more time for you. The transaction speed higher than Bitcoin, it is higher than Bitcoin with capabilities to increase through scalability solutions like Hydra. Now, let's talk about fifth cryptocurrency, one of the top cryptocurrencies, that is Solana, which is also called as SOL. Purpose: what is the purpose now? Solana is designed to facilitate fast, secure, and scalable decentralized applications and cryptocurrencies. Now let's talk about technology. Blockchain. Solana has its own blockchain. Consensus mechanism. Proof of history, also called as POH in short, combined with proof of stake, which is called as POS. Now supply: capped at around 500 million SOL. Now, transaction speed over 5,000 TPS, making it one of the fastest blockchain. Let's talk about Polkadot, which is also called as DOT in short. Now, what is the purpose? Polkadot is designed to enable different blockchains to interoperate and share information, creating a more connected and integrated ecosystem. Technology. Blockchain. Polkadot Relay Chain. Consensus mechanism. Nominated proof of stake, NPOS. Supply not fixed. Use an inflationary model. Transaction speed around 1000 TPS with the potential to increase through parachains. Now let's know the future of Bitcoin. So we have already discussed in depth about Bitcoin. Now we know uh, in and out about Bitcoin watching these two video tutorials. Now in this video, I will also like to give you an idea what is the future of Bitcoin, right? Let's talk about the strength first. First, mover advantage. Bitcoin's status as the first cryptocurrency gives it a significant brand and trust advantage. That is right. Store of value, increasingly seen as digital gold, providing a hedge against inflation. Now, network security. Highly secure network due to its large hash rate. Decentralization. Highly decentralized, reducing the risk of control by a single entity. What are the challenges which Bitcoin face or Bitcoin might face? Scalability. Bitcoin's transaction speed and capacity are limited compared to newer blockchains. Environmental concerns. POW mining is very intensive and has raised environmental concerns. Regulatory scrutiny. My bad. Increasing regulatory scrutiny could impact its adoption and usage. Now, what is the potential development? Layer 2 solution. Technologies like Lightning Network aim to improve Bitcoin's transaction speed and scalability. Institutional adoption. Continued interest and investment from institutions could further solidify Bitcoin's role as a store of value. Regulatory clarity. Clear and favorable regulations could enhance trust and adoption among the broader public. Technological improvements. Ongoing development efforts could address current limitations and enhance Bitcoin's functionality. Bitcoin's future will likely involve balancing its role as a store of value with improvements in transaction speed and environmental impact, ensuring it remains a cornerstone of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Bitcoin's future will likely involve balancing its role as a store of value with improvements in transaction speed and environmental impact, ensuring it remains a cornerstone of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. So guys, that's all about this video tutorial. I hope that you found this video useful. If you enjoyed watching this video, then hit that like, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell for more informative videos. All right, so thank you for watching and see you next time. Till then, bye.